Massage these 5 secret points to instantly lift your face, define your jawline, and erase wrinkles naturally. In just a few minutes a day, you'll activate deep facial muscles, boost blood flow, and sculpt youthful contours. No tools, no surgery, just your hands and awareness. Transform dull, tired skin into a lifted, glowing face. Your natural facelift starts right here, right now. When you work under the cheekbone, you're not just lifting the skin. You're waking up muscles that have been dormant from tension and time. This point connects directly to your facial circulation and helps bring fresh oxygen to areas that often look dull or tired. Use your fingertips and glide upward with purpose, not pressure. Feel the muscle engage as you lift. Pause for a breath and let it go. That warmth you feel is your skin recharging, your blood moving, your natural collagen waking up. With every touch, you're sculpting from within, creating strength instead of strain. It's a moment of reconnection between your breath, your body, and your skin's vitality. When you finish, you'll notice how your cheekbones seem higher, your energy lighter. Remember, a lifted face begins with an awakened touch, and your hands already hold that power. Now, let's move to the jawline, one of the most powerful zones for redefining your face. This is where tension hides, especially in the masseter muscle, the one we use every time we chew or clench. Over time, it builds bulk and stiffness, softening your natural contour. Place your fingers along the jaw and glide slowly from the chin toward the ears. Feel that slight resistance? That's the muscle releasing. Breathe into the movement and let the warmth spread across your jaw. This simple action boosts lymphatic flow, melts puffiness, and restores symmetry to your lower face. With each stroke, you're not just shaping, you're teaching your muscles to relax, to move freely, to align with balance again. Keep your breath steady, stay present in the motion, and you'll notice how the definition returns naturally. A sculpted jawline isn't built by force, it's restored through mindful release. Now bring your focus to the area beside your nostrils, the place where smile lines tend to deepen over time. This small region holds more tension than most people realize. Every expression, every laugh, every moment of stress gathers here, shaping the folds that frame your mouth. Using your index fingers, make slow, gentle circles around this point. Move with care, not speed. As you do, notice how the skin softens and your breath deepens. This motion encourages microcirculation, releases trapped lymph, and brings a fresh glow to your mid-face. It's not about erasing emotion, it's about restoring balance, so your expressions reflect energy, not fatigue. Keep the motion light but consistent, and you'll feel that subtle lift as the muscles relax. Each breath brings renewal, each touch restores harmony. True radiance begins when your face reflects calm from the inside out. Now shift your attention to the area just beneath your brow bone, a point that holds fatigue, stress, and often the weight of long days. This space directly connects to the tiny muscles around your eyes, the ones responsible for expression, focus, and clarity. Using 2 fingers, gently press and hold just under the brows. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, feel the subtle release across your forehead. This simple hold encourages lymphatic flow, reduces puffiness, and stimulates the lifting muscles that open your eyes naturally. You might feel a light pulse or warmth spreading. That's energy beginning to circulate again. Stay present with it, allowing your vision to soften and your mind to settle. It's a quiet reset, one that not only lifts your gaze but also clears your mental space. When the eyes feel lighter, the whole face follows, because clarity always starts from within. Now it's time to bring everything together, the energy, the flow, the lift. Place both palms over your cheeks, close your eyes, and take a slow, deep breath. Feel the warmth of your hands connecting with the rhythm of your skin. This final moment isn't about technique, it's about integration. Every movement you've done so far, the lifting, the releasing, the clearing, comes together here. You're teaching your face to remember what balance feels like. As you breathe, let gratitude fill your space, knowing your body is responding with every heartbeat. You might feel a sense of calm spreading or even a quiet pulse beneath your fingertips. That's renewal happening in real time. Stay here for a few seconds, completely still. When you release your hands, notice how alive your skin feels, how light your energy has become. True lifting happens when your energy rises before your face does.